Yeah, I noticed the inductor L2 here is a bit loose. So I'm going to flip the board over and check it out. Okay, and sure enough, I don't know if you can see it there. Broken connections. Where'd it go? Yeah, it's got a lot of bad connections. See them there? That would cause a problem. Bad connections. Let's fix that. Okay. That inductor's nice and solid. That inductor's nice and solid. I think it should be good. Okay, it's all back together. All the hackery has been removed. And it operates okay. I did check the caps with an ESR meter, and yeah, it's going to need recapped. But it should be a good asset to the programming farm. Another 3000U.